want to say thank you to everybody that sent me the birthday wishes. Yes, today's my birthday, December 21st, and so far it's been great. My brother, thank you, Rick. He brought me biscuits and gravy, and there's been lots of wishes on Facebook and here on YouTube, so thank you everybody so much. I've also got a Boondocker lady here. Her name is Stacy, and she has a dog named Louise. Cutest dog. Anyway, she's cleaning up her rig right now, and she's got the most unique rig I have ever seen. It's a teardrop, but it has a pop-up, and it's got windows galore. It is just the most awesome thing. Let me go outside and show it to you from the outside. She's not quite ready, but I can show you what it looks like from here. Hold on. There it is. And I think she's probably in there straightening things up, but it pops up. It is so cool. Hello. Okay, she's ready. This is Stacy. Say hi. Hi. And she's going to explain this Alto Safari Condo. Is that what it is?
Safari Condo is the company, and Alto is their trailer. They also make travel vans.
Wow.
And they are from Canada. Or they're Canadian. Yeah,
Canadian-based company.
Mm-hmm.
How cool. Okay, the thing that so far has caught my attention is this.
So that's what they call the caravan mover. And whatever. Technical explanation. The wheels, this goes in and connects to the wheels on either side, and then it's got its own motor, and you can get a little remote control, and you can unhitch and move your trailer around, back it in, spin
without
it around,
without having it hooked up.
without the tow vehicle. So
Wow.
you can get in a hard spot.
And it has one of those on each wheel?
Yep. Yep. And so then you put the wheel on the front and unhitch, and you put the wheels up here, and you can just zoom it around. I've actually moved from one camping spot to another that way in an empty campground. I was like driving it down the street.
With the remote. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Anyway, she's got a bike rack, a propane tank, your batteries.
Electric brake.
And this is your sewer line?
Yep.
Yep. How cool. And you tow it with a Pilot?
Honda Pilot.
Honda Pilot. I think my daughter has one of these.
I love it.
Yeah, she really likes hers.
I love it.
Okay, a little portal window. Sneak a peek in? No, can't see. Well, sort of can. I cannot believe all the windows. Those up there are all windows, all the way around. Reminds me of a condo.
Safari Condo.
Oh yeah, durr. How cool.
Very dirty.
Lots and lots. Windows on this side too. Hi, honey. Hi.
You get in trouble.
Oh yeah, got it on that side. And then it's got all the normal hookups on the outside water. Give me that toy. Give me that toy. Give me that toy.
You're silly.
Yes, she is. Okay. Oh, she's got the carpet out for us and everything.
The welcome mat.
Okay, I'll let you go in first. So you. Oh, what's that? All kinds of new gadgets.
So this is just tells you your tanks and the battery condition. So how much it's charged. It's not very accurate, but general idea.
Gets the job done, huh?
Yep.
Hi, puppy. Okay. Going in.
Got it?
Yeah. Cute dinette.
And this, of course, can be made into a bed area.
Oh, okay.
The table, I don't know what it is.
Somehow
goes
drops
down, comes out, something. I've never done it. This spins.
Oh, that's nice. Got little curtains on a track for the...
Yeah, so the curtains can go all the way, you'll see they go all the way up. Connect here to the back curtains.
Oh,
So
it's
it's
so open.
Total privacy when you want it, but otherwise, yeah, it's like a little, someone described it as like a little treehouse.
Oh, yeah.
You just open.
I love the little light bars over there. Oh. I love these windows. I can't get over the windows.
Yeah, that's the big selling point.
What a cool kitchen.
Little kitchen, messy storage.
That's a lot of storage. I love
Yeah.
that teapot. Show me that again.
That's just one of these
Oh
little
my
lightweight
gosh,
things.
how cute.
Teapot for one. Fridge.
And then it's just a little push button.
Mhm. That's one of those.
That's pretty cool. And this is a stove in here? Stove top?
Hmm?
I know, I'm nosy, huh?
Voila. A little bit of storage there.
Cute. Poor thing, I told her I wanted to video her home, and I made her clean. She made herself clean house. I think
Well, you know.
I told her dirt doesn't show up on video.
Louise's bed.
Louise's bed.
Don't ask where I
Give me
sleep.
that. Out she goes. Okay.
So yeah, so this, if you wanted to, could be right, just seats. Right.
Oh.
I keep it made up as a bed. But
Yeah, I
this
don't
is the-
blame you.
This is the insert right here.
Ah,
Right, and so you could also fill it out and make a king size bed.
no thanks.
But yeah, and then there's storage underneath.
Lots of storage.
Dog food.
Nice.
And the bathroom.
A bathroom. A full bathroom?
No.
A shower and toilet.
Toilet.
Composting or normal?
Normal. So more storage.
That is so
old toilet,
cool.
clutter.
Just enough to get you done what you need done when you need it done.
There's an outdoor shower.
Oh, is there?
Yeah. They have another model, an upgrade that has an indoor shower.
Takes up more room, I'll bet, huh?
Yeah, I'm not really sure how they do that because this roof goes
Yeah. Strange. And is that a fantastic fan with
Yep.
thermostat?
down. No thermal.
Remote?
No. Very basic. This is old. This is a 2009.
Really?
This is
Oh,
one of
it
their
looks
original
brand
ones.
spanking new. I
Yeah.
love these windows. That just blows me away.
Yeah, and so when you're ready to go, you just push
That
a button and the back bench bends down. And then
By
you push-
itself,
There's a button.
made up like that.
Well, I have to pull this
Oh, I
forward.
see.
Put the back bench down.
Yeah.
And then there's a button right here that puts the roof down. It just goes, zoop. You can watch it if you want.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
gotta do it.
If you're ready to...
I am ready.
Yeah, I think this girl's anxious to go. She was supposed to stay 2 nights, and now she's decided she's out of here.
Now Arizona goes.
She's on her way to Arizona.
I've been up north in the cold snow and rain.
Oh, really? In the Seattle area?
No, Oregon.
Oh.
Southern Oregon. I came down I-5 through.
She's pushing a button, and I hear
Did you see
something.
it?
No?
Okay, so there's the bench in the back.
Oh, I see it.
Push the button. That goes down to make room for the roof.
Ah,
Then you have to keep stuff away. You know, I push
From the
stuff
side.
in so that
kind of like mine.
here's the magic button. Watch the roof. And you gotta make. Always have to remember not to have stuff up top because it'll get.
Oh, yeah.
And then here's storage here. They actually sell
More
it with an
storage.
optional bunk bed that goes up
Storage
here.
there. Ah.
Yeah.
Okay, you can see the window. She's pushing the button, and everything's going down. Wow.
Oh, just gotta make sure nothing gets in the way. People have all kinds of stories of things they've crushed doing this. We'll be able to stand here, but most people won't. Once it goes all the way down.
That is so cool.
Watch your shoulder.
So really, if you got somewhere, well, I guess pushing that button isn't that big a deal. You could just climb in and go to sleep.
Yeah.
Without setting up.
Yeah.
But
Watch your head coming out.
yeah.
I've actually, when I was in New Mexico, there were like 50-mile-an-hour winds.
Uh-huh.
I was terrified, so I put the roof down.
Oh, and left it down to
And-
keep the, yeah.
Like parked it in, into the wind.
What a difference from up and down.
Yep, now it just looks like a tiny little teardrop.
It does. It looks like a normal teardrop. But then when it opens up, it's what, like 2 feet taller? At least?
It's well over 6 feet inside.
That is crazy awesome.
And there's the solar panel.
Those are solar.
These are the solar strips.
It came with it?
Mm-hmm.
I've never seen how many those are.
Yeah,
They're like
stick
flexible.
on there.
I want some of those. And how much? I don't understand solar at all, but
Me neither. I can't tell you.
you don't know what the panels are? Wow.
I know that somebody else asked me and I had no idea.
That is pretty cool. So it's got an outdoor shower. That is crazy cool. And where'd you get this?
Yeah, the showers are here.
Oh, that's the outdoor shower. Okay. And where did you
there's
get
hot
this?
Water. This one has a little electric hot water heater in it. And heat and AC.
And you got this in?
I bought it used from someone in Quebec. So the factory is in Quebec. But I bought it used and then drove it to the factory just to get it
Checked over. That's what I do with mine.
and then drove it back.
And how much did you pay for it?
They're really expensive.
Really?
Yeah. I paid like $23,000.
I mean, for all the
used.
convenience.
If you bought one now new,
Oh yeah.
they're probably 40.
But for
50.
everything this thing's got on it, you know, the capabilities of moving it without having to be hooked up.
And
and
other
the
thing I'm
windows.
sort of, yeah, I know. I'm banking on is resale value.
Yeah.
You know, because they're not mass produced and they're in very
Like
high
mine.
demand. Yeah.
There's not many of these out on the
Yeah.
road.
So that makes it.
Yeah. I think on my
if
3-month
you-
trip I passed one.
Yeah. Yeah. And if someone orders one, there's like a year-long wait. So people, when they go up for sale, they sell.
Quick.
Knock on wood. That's
Yeah. And then the stabilizers are. Do you have stabilizer jacks or anything? Or do you even mess with them?
There.
And they're hand crank?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I use a drill for mine.
Yeah.
Didn't
Well,
take me long to learn that.
I don't even always use them.
Yeah, it didn't seem to
Depends.
move around at all.
I mean, yeah. It just depends.
Anyway, that is super, super cool.
Yeah. And it's been really, knock on wood, it's been really,
And you said the weight on it was what? Empty?
it's like around 17 or 1,800 pounds empty, 1,700.
And easy to pull with
Yeah.
the wind doesn't, trucks going
Some
by
people
you.
you can get a, you know, you can use a, what do they call it?
Stabilizer
Yeah,
jack?
the sway control.
Sway bar, yeah.
Or,
Where'd Puppy go?
she's in the neighbor's
You gotta find the dog.
yard. Louise!
Anyway, so that was her tour of her Alto Safari condo. Cute. Anyway, it's been a pleasure having her here, and I love her puppy.
And thank you to
Oh, you are so
And
welcome.
happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yay.
Yeah, I've had a ball. Every boondocker that I've had here has been great.
Yeah, that's so good.
Absolutely
Good.
wonderful.
I wonder, you wonder who's going to show up, right?
Yeah,
that's good.
No, it's
That's
been
good.
great, every one of them.
Good.
Anyway, so that's the tour of her cutie little teardrop and her baby girl. Come here, Louise. Come here. Say bye.
Cut her nose tight.
Bye. That'll